Hey, thanks so much for coming back. It's so good to see you again. So today we're going to be opening up Glitz Glam Box. This subscription runs $15 a month, one glitter product, one pair of lashes, 2 to 3 full-size beauty products. Well, it says that they don't do basic. Beautifully wrapped. A card which gives you a full description of what's included this month and the cost. At the back, it includes discount codes as well as social media information. And the theme this month is Indie Love. Ooh, this is so cute. It's a product from Saucebox Cosmetics, and it's in the color Sea Glass. Adorable. Look how cute that is. Oh wow, this is expensive. And it is $12. It is big though. Ooh, it's not that pigmented. Very light gray, I think. I take it back. Sea Glass is extremely pigmented. I have no idea why it's showing out so fiercely on my face. It's almost like a grayish blue. It's just one of those colors that you rarely find, and you're just like, ooh, smoky. You're looking good. I can see why you're $12. And like I said, the pan's huge. It's not a rinky-dink pan. I was a little surprised at the price, but the color is fierce. Pinky Rose. And this is in the color Mason. Yeah, she's like a dark glittery pink. I don't think she's gonna blend that well. Super grainy. Yeah, there was Pinky Rose. I have to say, I'm just in love. It is such a good combination of colors. Pinky Rose runs $2. Oh, one thing I do also want to mention, if you didn't notice when I came up close, there was no fallout on either part, which is really surprising because usually I'm like crying colors, but no, it just went right on. I didn't have to do any additional eye primer or nothing. I like it. Glitzglambox, their eyeliner, and this is a diamond line pencil. Deja Vu. It is silver. This bad boy is silver. And she runs $12, and she's a diamond eyeliner. So I'm gonna try and go as light as I possibly can, because I always break it. But there it is. Oh wow, that is diamond. And all I gotta say is, ooh wee! This looks so crazy and good to me. The formula is great. It went on super smooth. Yeah, her eyeliner is good. Dainty Cosmetics. And that's the lash right there. And they're handmade lashes, and this runs $7. Ooh, New York! Wish me luck. I don't know how well this is gonna turn out, but wish me luck with the lashes. I wouldn't say these are my favorite lashes, just because I feel that they are not beginner friendly. You know, I like the nice thick band on my lashes, and these have like the little tiny rubber ones, and it feels like you're gonna rip them at any second. They're very fanny, like they're a dainty fanny, but I like full fanny. You know, I just like a full. If I'm gonna go glam, let's go all out. Other than that, they're okay. Karmela Cosmetics Hydrating Matte Lipstick. And it's $24, so there it is. It's very pretty. Paradise. Yes, yes, look at that. It's like a deep plum. And this out. Oh yes. Oh yes, honey. So if you like what you see, hit that like button. If you want to see more of me, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Cheers.